Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys a natural hair tutorial and this little look that I did. So I'm gonna make this video very quick and straight to the point so no one's time is wasted, but don't forget to like and especially subscribe to the red button down below. It's really easy to do. All you need to do is press the little button and you'll be able to subscribe to this channel, and I really truly appreciate that. So for this look, I'm basically going to show you after washing my hair and conditioning and all of that, what I do to basically get these curls, which, you know, don't mind me saying, but I think they came out pretty good. This is day one curl, so I'm trying to not fluff them too much. So yeah, stay tuned and hopefully you'll love this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm starting on freshly washed hair. So this first product is called Curlific. I love this product, literally my favorite. Then a leave-in conditioner from Dr. Miracles, and then aloe vera oil. Next, these little hair clip-ins, or whatever they're called in English. Then my brush. So, but don't worry, I'm saying this really fast, but everything is going to be down below. So now I'm parting my hair in 4 ways, just kind of putting everything away. Okay, girl. Okay, I thought I was parting my hair in 4 ways. I'm parting my hair in 2 ways. And basically that's one of the, just doing a little mini twist to basically put everything away. So I'm working in sections. As you can see, my hair is like really damp, so it's just like dripping down. So now leave-in conditioner, running it all through my hair, like really thoroughly. Just really well. Just make sure every single strand is coated with leave-in conditioner. Then aloe vera oil, rub it well in your palm, and just do it. Like everything is like dime size, basically, you know, the curly girl dime size, basically. And then a little bit of the curlific product, and then you just basically continue to rub it in and making sure every single strand is coated. Then I'm going in with my Denman brush. I love doing this step because I think it prevents your hair from getting frizzy a lot, and it makes your hairstyle last longer, so you take every little fly away from your hair and things like that. So now you split it into 3. Make sure you don't borrow from any of the other pieces, so then when you take down your hair, it doesn't frizz up. I do it a little bit of smaller sections just because I think that's really good to help keep the hairstyle basically throughout the week or 2 weeks. So now you continue to braid your hair and you continue braiding it. Hopefully this will speed up so we're not bored to death. Then when you get to the end, you make sure everything is smooth, you comb it out again. Then what you're gonna do is the 3 strands, like so. You pick those 2, put them together, and then leave 1 piece and start doing your twists. The reason I do this is because the type of hair I have, it goes soft and strand really quickly, so I found that doing the twists keeps my ends curly for longer. So that's something that if you have hair like mine, that it's a really useful tip to just keep that curly look and not have it go flat and boring. Now again, just do the same steps and then you start doing the braid again. Notice how I'm not borrowing it. I'm doing my best to not borrow it, and twisting my neck so you guys can see how this is done. And make sure that you put the product to your ends. Like always make sure that your ends get the product, just because they're really old. You know, they're probably a little bit drier, so they need that moisture that's coming from all the products that you put it. Make sure you don't borrow, and then when you reach the end, you're gonna then connect the 3 strands and start doing your twist, just like you're seeing me do it. Then you keep twisting it and twisting it and twisting it and twisting it. Jesus Christ, girl, just twist faster. And then you twist it, and then when I reach the end, I kind of just do a little twirl thing with my hand just to make sure everything is like sealed and the braid won't go anywhere. And then again on the other side, make sure you braid it until the end, and don't worry about looking white because of the product. It dries literally in 10-15 minutes and your hair will not have any white flakes at all. Then you reach all the way to the bottom and you start twisting it. And luckily I do this very quickly, so this hairstyle should take you half an hour. It literally shouldn't take you more. And that's only because I'm doing very small braids. Again, I did my entire head and now I'm showing you the front just so you guys can see the steps again. So leave-in conditioner, and you then go with your aloe vera oil. Don't put too much like me. Make sure every single strand is covered with the oil. Everything is moisturized to the gods. And then you go in with your curlifier, curlific, whatever hair is the name. Then you put it all the way through your hair. Again, taking a look at the ends. And you comb everything through. Obviously start combing from the end. I think everybody should know that by now. And then what I do in the front, just because the texture of my hair in the front is a little bit softer curls pattern or whatever it's called than the rest of my head, I twist it so it looks a bit tighter in the curls and it matches the rest of my hair when I take everything down. So in the front, I'm gonna go in and twist everything, do a flat twist. And then when you get to the end of your flat twist, you make sure that you have those two ends, but then secure a third end like I'm struggling to do. This is my first hair tutorial, sorry guys. And then you begin to do a braid. And this is great again, so your ends will all match texture, everything is just gonna look really, really curly. But then in the front I can still manage to make it a flat twist, basically. Don't know what I just said, but you guys get the gist. Then you do it all, and then when you reach the bottom you start twisting everything up. Here my twist might be bigger than the other sections just because again my hair texture in the front is a little bit softer, so the twist definitely helped making it very curly. Then you twist everything up, make sure it's all sealed and not going anywhere and not moving, and that's it. You then wear a scarf and you go to bed and enjoy and you live your best life. So this is then 3 days later. This is the braids that I use to normally go to work or if I'm home, anything like that, so I don't have to take my twist and I give it time to dry. So now I'm just taking them down. And to take them down, you put a little bit of the oil, just a little bit, enough to just coat every single bit of your fingers, like so. Then you rub it through your hair. What you're doing this for is to not create frizz when you take your braid down. So now, I mean, I'm a little bit neglectful when it comes to taking braids down because I get very impatient. Anybody that knows me knows that I get impatient with anything. I get very impatient and I start pulling it. Which in a way is not that bad, which it helps me fluff my hair. But you know, if you want perfect curls for longer, please don't do what I'm doing right now and rip just through them. Be a bit more careful and take them down with a bit more love. So take that advice from me because as you've seen, I've frizzen up some of the ones down below because I have no patience. And here's me having bubble tea again. That literally is me all the time. Then this is how you take it down. So you twist your twists on the opposite direction that you twisted them. That's a really good method to not get them frizzy. And then you just keep going and you basically just keep taking your braid down and making sure that you don't fluff them or cause them to frizz, because that will mean your hairstyle will last for less time basically. Then I keep doing that, taking it down and struggling. But how lovely do my nails look? I literally loved these nails. I need to do them again because right now my nails are not looking like that, guys. Let me not even front. So in the process, I'm basically just separating them a little bit, making sure I'm looking at the mirror by, yeah, that's where the mirror is. That's why I'm looking over that. And just trying to see what I can fluff to not make it look ridiculous. Then you just keep taking it down and making sure nothing goes frizzy, basically. Then we're gonna move to the front of the hair, and basically again you do the same thing, just kind of taking it down, making sure it doesn't frizz up, making sure that you basically, you know, don't destroy all the hard work that you did, and making sure it looks perfect. Now this is me taking the front part. Like literally, if I had not done the twist, it would have not looked like that. Like it took me a very long time to master the different textures that I have in my hair. But yeah, I think slowly I'm just learning how to work with my hair and make it look the way I want it look. It looks very like shrunk and tiny on day one. But I actually like it that way. It gets puffier and puffier as the days go by, which I also like. So it's just cool to let it do its thing, and then eventually you just get bigger and bigger, and then it's like, okay, it's a week or it's 2 weeks and I'm gonna brush my hair. So it will look good regardless. So here I'm just puffing my hair up with the what is this called? A comb? Sure. I literally knew the name in English and now I forgot. Cool. Anyways, and that's it. I'm fluffing them. And this is the end result. So, you know, not looking as bunny as I did before, I guess. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.